Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant healthy Matar Chilla, ideal as a quick breakfast or as a quick dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in fresh green peas, half-inch ginger, 1 green chilli, a small handful of coriander leaves. I have measured half cup of water, and from that I'm adding in 1/4 cup of water. Half teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida, and I'm going to grind this really well. Pour the blended mutter into a bowl, add in the rest of the water and wash down the residue onto the bowl. 1/4 cup besan flour, 1/4 cup red rice flour. You can use any variety of rice flour you have at hand. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, also known as carom seeds. I'm lightly crushing the ajwain and then adding in so that the flavors are released. Give this all a good mix. Mix it really well so there are no lumps, and once mixed, this is the consistency of the batter. So I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of water just to thin down the batter slightly and give it a good mix. So this is the consistency of the batter. It should be neither too thick nor too thin, but of flowing consistency. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm lightly greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 ladle full of the chila batter and lightly spread it out into a thin circle. Drizzle in wood pressed groundnut oil, or you can use any wood pressed oil or even A2 desi ghee. And let that side cook on medium flame. After 2 minutes, turn it over and allow that side to get cooked. 2 minutes later, carefully turn it over and my super healthy Matar Chilla is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with pickle, chutney or any side dish of your choice. Leftover batter can always be stored in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. So guys, do try this healthy instant Matar Chilla and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.